Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. मैं हूँ शॉन,
मैं हूँ अन्वेषा
और हम हैं एंग्लो बॉन्ग। गाइज आज हम लोग रिएक्ट करेंगे एक बहुत ही दिलचस्प, इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल, इट्स अ ट्रेलर बेस्ड ऑन सम ट्रू इवेंट्स जिसका नाम है सेक्टर 36 एंड you've seen I think some documentaries or some stories.
I
maybe on
have
that.
covered the full case
Okay.
because I used to watch a lot of news when I was young back in the day, because I think it is based on a true story which is, we all know, I think the Nithari, if I'm not getting the Nithari, is a place in Noida.
Okay.
And there was this massive case where a lot of skeletons. So before me saying anything, I would love to watch the trailer with you all.
Aditya.
And the director is Aditya Nimbalkar, writer is Bodhya Roy Chaudhary, and it stars none other than Vikrant Massey, Deepak Dobriyal and Darshan Jariwala. So these are all great actors, and can't wait to watch it. I think he has seen a couple of Vikrant's work. I think after 12th Fail, he is getting very widely recognized. But I have been a fan since his soap opera days, since I think Death in a Gunj and these weird movies which not a lot of people watch.
Not very commercial actor, but yeah, I mean regarding theater and acting and all, I mean this guy is top there. मतलब वो हर कोई मूवी नहीं करता है, लेकिन उसका जो स्पेसिफिक मतलब टॉपिक्स है, he does those kind of movies, I think so.
And he loves to I think we had reacted to 12th Fail's
we did
trailer
12th,
also, and we watched it. I think we watched I think twice already. I think once just like that, and once with the entire family.
Once in the hall in cinema and once at home.
Yeah, and so without wasting any more time, let's see what this is all about. And then if you've not seen the trailer of this movie, which is called, what is
Sector 36.
Sector 36. Please go down. The link has been given for you in the description box below. Now let's start.
Sir. आपको चॉकलेट पसंद है ना?
ये मेरे लिए है?
हाँ बेटा, आपके लिए।
Oh my God. He's playing the negative role.
1686 में न्यूटन ने इस विश्व को इसका सबसे बड़ा मूल मंत्र दिया था, थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन। Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. ये राजीव कैंप है और वो सेक्टर 36।
राजीव कैंप से बच्चे आज से तो लुप्त नहीं हो रहे हैं। ये कार्यक्रम तो सालों से चल रहा है। वैसे आपके घर भी बेटी है क्या?
क्या करेगा जानते?
मेरी खुद की बेटी है 6 साल की, गांव में। बड़ी चिंता होती है उसकी।
ये तो कौन?
बाप है ना आप, बाप है ना, पकड़ के लाई उसे।
पूछो भाई, टाइम नहीं है।
ये मिसिंग चिल्ड्रन केसेस को ड्रॉप कर दो।
अरे मैं दूंगा ना आपको जवाब, आप पूछो तो सही।
वाह, ओके, सो दिस वाज द ट्रेलर। ये था ट्रेलर सेक्टर 36 का, और काफ़ी स्पाइन चिलिंग, अगर
I
सही
got
वर्ड।
goosebumps, I think, after a long time. कोई ट्रेलर देख के गूज बम्स आया है.
स्पेशली आई थिंक दिस इज द फर्स्ट, मतलब ये मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है, ये मेरा फर्स्ट बॉलीवुड या इंडियन स्टाइल सीरियल किलर जिसके ऊपर मतलब मूवी बनाया गया है. तो इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट आई एम यूज्ड टू. आई हैव सीन टेड बंडी, ज़ोडिएक, जो इंग्लिश मतलब जो होता है सीरियल किलर डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज, लेकिन ये सबसे पहले इंडियन सीरियल किलर जिसके ऊपर मैंने खुद फर्स्ट टाइम देखा, और वेरी वेरी gruesome and very spine chilling.
And can't wait, it's coming out very soon, 13 September. अभी एक
कुछ
और दिन में आ जाएगा. और what I am excited about is Vikrant Massey in a negative role.
In a negative role, हाँ.
We have always seen the positive characters that he has played and he has done a marvelous job, but नेगेटिव में तो बहुत सारा वेरिएशन, बहुत सारा शेड्स ही कैन शो, यू नो. देयर इज नो लिमिट टू हाउ नेगेटिव अ पर्सन कैन बी, बट पॉजिटिविटी में आई थिंक देयर एक जगह पे जाके आप उससे ज़्यादा हो नहीं सकता, इससे ज़्यादा क्या पॉजिटिव. लेकिन कोई किस हद तक नेगेटिव हो सकता है, कैसे इमोशंस दिखा सकता है, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी सो इंटरेस्टिंग टू वॉच. आई मीन देख के ही लग रहा है कि उतने में ही हैज डन सच अ ग्रेट जॉब.
और इसमें सबसे बड़ा कन्फ्लिक्टिंग या कंफ्यूजिंग बात जो ये है कि विक्रांत जो है ही सच अ गुड एक्टर, तो उसको ऑब्वियसली सपोर्ट करेंगे एक्टिंग में, लेकिन ही इज इन अ नेगेटिव रोल, तो उसको सपोर्ट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. बट उसका जो एक्टिंग है, आई मीन वी कैन डेफिनेटली अप्रिशिएट इट, बिकॉज आई मीन अगेन ही इज वेरी वर्सेटाइल. आई मीन फ्रॉम 12 फेल to here, I mean from a hero and now to a villain, complete opposite.
I did not expect him to be
Yeah.
doing the role of the
Serial killer.
Of the, I think more before knowing whether he's the serial killer,
They
for
showed,
people
right?
who don't know, yes, it looks like that, but people who don't know, I think it is not the ending of the story where we all get to know, like जब न्यूज बन जाता है कि ऐसा कुछ रिवील हुआ है. आई थिंक इट इज द इन्वेस्टिगेशन दैट हैज लेड टू इट. आई डोंट थिंक ये खुलासा उसके होने के बाद ये मूवी स्टोरी दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ये दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हाउ इट लेड टू हिम. पूरा इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो हम लोगों को पता नहीं है, कि पहले से ही पीपल वर प्रोबेबली कीपिंग एन आई ऑन हिम. And one thing about the real incident which I saw, I noticed was the slum area that was there next to this, in this area, it had mostly Bengali immigrants.
Okay.
So if you notice the posters, missing posters, flyers, they had these Bengali names called Tumpa.
Okay.
If you've noticed. And a lot of them were these Bengali babies, children, girls, boys who were getting lost.
Slums, okay.
Because it's the Bengali immigrants area in Noida.
Okay.
So.
But again, I also think, it looks like obviously ki Vikrant is the villain and the guy who's doing it, but it also could be a plot twist. I mean, they can't just show openly ki it might also be that
since it's
he's
based
undercover.
on the no, since
okay.
it's based on the
just
true story.
Different
no, because he
assumptions.
doesn't know about the case. So
no, the case I got what I'm trying to say is that they showed him giving the chocolate to the kid, then taking, so maybe he's
he is
undercover.
the one. No, they already showed
okay.
that he is inside the gate.
Okay.
So he is the caretaker of the bungalow, which belonged to a Punjabi man who would come there for his own other reasons, which we'll see in the movie. So
I think this story you also told me about some time
yes,
back.
I did because
this guy would kill children and put them in the
in that
background.
You know, they showed that that drain, that big drain.
Yeah.
There he would throw all the bones, and he would also eat. He was also a cannibal.
Okay.
So it is going to be gruesome
and बहुत ही मतलब I want to see this guy's acting. I mean, obviously, जो movie जो it's based on something true.
I have lived
shocking.
this case. I
This happened when, like how long?
2006, around that time when I think I was in school.
18 साल almost पहले.
So can't wait to watch it, and it's coming out on Netflix, so you guys can watch it at home. So we don't have to go anywhere, in the comfort of your and. I don't think you can show it to kids.
Yeah, it's something that you need
but
to age restriction.
They are, but it can also be a good like a moral lesson for kids that don't take chocolates from strangers.
I think it's a good lesson for everyone. I mean, for parents also,
Parents
not to
also.
leave your kids unattended.
Attended.
Because most of the time we see it's usually people in the slums or who are a little bit poor off who just leave their kids to play around and they get kidnapped. At least people who are from middle class families and a little bit richer families, there's always, I mean, कभी ना कभी कोई है साथ में, उनका माँ बाबा या उनका maid या उनका दादा दादी कोई साथ में है. लेकिन usually people in slums they don't really have that
Yes.
I would say luxury कि कोई साथ में है, तो बच्चे लोग कहीं
The road is their playground actually.
So वहीं से वो लोग उठा के they get kidnapped, they get murdered. So this is something, and I like something like this kind of a movie being made in Bollywood, because usually they don't make this type of movies. It's mostly romantic and mostly
And this
action.
other actor who's there, who's playing the cop, he's also, I saw him in Tanu Weds Manu, and he played a comic role. I think comedy is one of the most difficult genres where you have to act and show your emotions. It's not very easy to make people laugh, but he did it. So here he's playing a corpse and so many different emotions. I think here they try to show that even his own daughter is
gets
missing and gets picked up. So it's like a
Personal
cat and mouse story. Yeah.
I mean, overall loved the trailer, and obviously I mean Vikrant Massey is there, तो उनका जो acting होगा.
It's okay. Vikrant, I have seen a couple of his interviews, and he says that everyone calls him Masi and Massey. So the actual thing is Vikrant Massey.
Okay, Massey. Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
तो हाँ, I mean we really loved that trailer, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त लगा. और in case you guys also enjoyed it, hit that like button, share the video, और अगर आप लोग subscribe नहीं किया तो what you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now and join the Anglo Bong gang. Until our next video, we'll catch you guys very soon. Bye.
Bye.